Sadiq Khan versus Donald Trump. Comment section. Daily Mail has more Trump supporters. Take a good look at London before you talk about US. Ignorant mayor. How much longer are you stuck with Khan? President Trump cannot be outpunked. He will always hit back and harder. The best one goes to, aren't you tired of lying at Trump's feet? Winner, Daily Mail, best one. And here's Yahoo people, Henny, who talks about how what a snowflake that Donald Trump is. Co-runner who said, wait, did Donald Trump just congratulate Poland for being attacked? Bram Duff, who quotes Donald Trump tweet who said, I'm going to be too busy working to be able to play golf, but actually he's played golf 213 times. Chris, who says, well, Obama played at cheap places, whereas this guy just goes to his own golf courses and it costs a lot more. Linda also talks about Obama playing at nearby golf courses. The number one best one is PJ. PJ gives this great link, trumpgolfcount.com, and it's cost taxpayers $109. So you win the prize for the best link and the best comment. But sorry, no prizes so far.